Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to change transmission fluid in a Hyundai Veloster. First, gather your essential tools, including a drain pan, a suitable wrench, and the correct new transmission fluid. Next, safely elevate your Veloster on jack stands or a lift, ensuring it's level for proper fluid drainage. Finally, identify both the drain and fill plugs on the transmission housing before proceeding with the fluid change. Once your Veloster is safely elevated, position the drain pan directly under the transmission's drain plug. Carefully remove the drain plug, allowing the old transmission fluid to flow freely into the pan. Be prepared for a steady stream, and ensure the pan can hold several liters of fluid. Wait patiently until the fluid flow reduces to a slow drip, indicating most of the old fluid has exited the system. After the old fluid has completely drained, reinstall the drain plug, ensuring it's tightened to the manufacturer's specifications, and use a new crush washer if recommended. Next, locate and remove the fill plug on the transmission. Using a funnel and a hose, slowly add the new, correct type of transmission fluid until it begins to seep out of the fill hole, indicating it's full. Once the new fluid is in, securely reinstall the fill plug. Carefully lower your Veloster from the jack stands or lift. Start the engine, shift through all gears, and then recheck the fluid level if your model has a dipstick. Always inspect for any leaks around both the drain and fill plugs. Remember to check the description for a link to some great socks and other helpful deals. Regular fluid changes extend your transmission's life significantly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.